The Duffle Spill Pack Universal Spill Kit is a convenient grab-and-go kit featuring a customizable, reusable canvas duffel bag. For a faster spill response, it features a double zipper, velcro closure designed for fast, convenient access to the absorbents. The spill kit has an absorbent capacity of up to 10 gallons and includes 20 universal pads covering up to 40 square feet, one extra large disposal bag, one pair of chemical-resistant gloves, one zip tie, one universal absorbent pillow, 3 polypropylene sorb socks, one pair of goggles, and one emergency response guidebook. All contents fit inside one canvas duffel bag. The Emergency Response Guidebook helps first responders find vital information fast. The Duffle Pac is also available in an oil-selective configuration. Call us today for more information about the Andax Duffle Pac and other Andax spill containment products. If you like this video and are new to our channel, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon to get notifications when we upload new videos.